Track 3. You will listen to radio news about redback spiders in 3 parts. Read the questions before you listen to the news. Then, as you listen to each part, tick the correct option in each question simultaneously. Part 1.
On Wednesday, 11th July 2001, the Brisbane Courier Mail reported news of a man in Alice Springs who was bitten more than 20 times by a redback spider and needed 16 doses of anti-venom. Anti-venom drug treats poisonous bites. Darren Meehan, 25-year-old from Alice Springs, was attacked by the redback spider while sleeping. He believes he may have trapped the spider in his jeans during a visit to an outside toilet, and it then crawled into his bed. He was still getting shots when this news was being recorded. The head of Alice Springs Hospital's emergency department said it was the worst redback spider bite ever recorded in Australia. Emergency physician Dr. Elizabeth Mowat said it was the biggest bite she knows of, on record. Mr. Meehan said he slept through the attack, and it was not until the next morning that he found more than 20 angry red bite marks on his right leg. 48 hours later, he doubled over in extreme pain. Mr. Meehan is now recovering from his ordeal in hospital.
Part 2.
Although it injects only a tiny amount of venom, a redback spider bite can cause serious illness. Before anti-venom was found in 1956, several people had already died. The venom is unique. It can attack all the nerves of the body. In a serious case, it may lead to death. At first, the bite is only as painful as a minor insect sting. After a few minutes, it becomes intense and spreads to other parts of the body. Fortunately, the effect of the venom takes several hours or even days to develop, so there is plenty of time for treatment with antivenom.
Part 3.
Redback spiders are related to the black widow spider species. The male is only about 1/3 the size of the female and is considered harmless to humans because his fangs are so small. His markings are not as bright as the female, although her stripe is not always red and may be orange, pink, or even light gray. After mating, the female eats the male. She then spins up to 8 round balls of web for her eggs. These may contain as many as 300 eggs. Its poisonous bite feels like a small pinprick.
Listen to the radio news again to check your answers.